Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get free gifts and TEMU credit on the TEMU app. Now you can see when we first log in, sometimes you'll get a pop-up like this, right? So free gift. Now if you get a pop-up like this and you're lucky, just click on get now and it'll automatically redirect you into the free gift section here, right? And in here, you can spin to claim the wheel here to get free gifts, right? So you can see I'll get 3 items for $0 here, it looks like. Oh no, I'm gonna spin again. Of course, if you get this, you can again spin again. And you can keep spinning this until to get rewarded, right? So let me see. Let me spin again. Now, when you do this, you might get the lucky one here. I think I'm gonna get lucky. Yeah, there you go. I'm getting 4 for 100% off. So when you spin a wheel like this, you might get lucky. You might not. See, I got a jackpot here because I'm lucky. Now I get 4 items for $0, right? Now, I'm pretty lucky here, so I could get free items. You can see I get to invite 0 people, so I can get 4 items for $0 without inviting anyone. Now imagine that, 4 items for $0 without inviting anyone, and all for $0. And I can also get enjoy 3 discounted to get 4 items. Now you can see only one chance, only this page, only 30 minutes. So once you get this wheel and you get this spin to claim, you can get a free item, although it's very limited. Now you can see right now I can pick from a variety of items without paying anything, right? So free, all of these. But let me log out of here, right? I'm just gonna leave because I don't really need it right now. Now, if you don't get that pop-up, don't worry, there is still another way. Now, if you go to the U section down here and you go to Play and Earn, on Play and Earn, you can see this is a page where it says earn credits and free gift. So I can get $65 credits here. I can get more free gifts, 5 mysterious item for $0, free for the United States. I can sign into TEMU to get more free items, and I can also redeem credit up to $200, right? So for example, if I want $65 credit, I just tap on it to get on it now. You can see following process, claim $65 credits, and it's just like this. Again, it'll be like spin like from before. Let's see if I'm lucky. Oh, it seems like I could get double the reward, of course. Now let's just spin again. And let's see if we're lucky to get the credits. There you go. I got the jackpot. Amazing. Now you can get this jackpot and you can get all of these rewards by following the steps I just showed you earlier. And now I could get $130 credit. So I can spend like cash valid on all items. You can see it's like this. I can have exclusive offers here as well. I can break the egg here. It's like a little mini game. You can see I can get 200 coins here. Now I'm just a little more, only 9 coins away from a $130 credit. Now you can just see I can withdraw $130. I can have a first order bonus as well. You can see I can pick one to crack, for example here. There's a lot of mini games that TEMU give you. So it's like this. There you go, plus 5 coins. And now I'm only 4 coins away from $130 credits. I think you can get around 4 more to get 4 more by buying items, or maybe you can get a a $10 minimum checkout and you can get the $4 coin to get the $130 credits. So I need to check out for the $130, and most of the things here are pretty cheap. You can see it's only $1, $33. Just buy any one of these and then you'll get the $130 credit. Here you can see there's a countdown, and here you just have to spend something to get the $130 credit. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.